Page number 211, question number 13. A and B are partners in a firm, sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 4:1. Balance sheet of their firm on 31/3/17 was as under. We have capital, we have current, workmen, accident compensation fund, creditors, bills payable, land and building, furniture, investment stock, debtor, BDR, bill receivable, cash bank, and goodwill. Now, workmen, accident compensation को tick करो, goodwill को tick करो. We have old value of goodwill. They admitted C as a new partner on the above date on the following condition. They decided to keep their new profit loss sharing ratio at 3:1:1. C will bring 20,000 as capital for his 1/5 share of profit and 5,000 as his share of goodwill in cash. Out of goodwill, half amount is to be withdrawn by the old partners. Value of land and building, tick karo, land and building, furniture, stock, investment, bad debt reserve, workman accident compensation claim. Now, dishonor expense of bill receivable 150 and bank charges 300 which are paid but not recorded in the books. So इसको अलग से treat करेंगे. Let's start. Capital account. By balance 75,000, 25,000. Current account. By balance brought forward. 8,000 and 2,000. Workman accident compensation fund, inner column. $5,000. Creditors. Any adjustment in creditors? No. Outer column. Creditors. 4,000. Bills payable. 1,000. Land and building. 35,000. Furniture 30,000. Stock, investments 25,000. Stock 15,000. Debtors 5,500 minus bad debt reserve. Bill receivable 2,000. Cash and bank. To balance brought forward. You write over your cash and bank so that you don't forget. Balance brought forward is 3,000. Goodwill. क्या करेंगे इस goodwill का? Distribute between partners in old ratio. So partners current account to goodwill. 4:1. So 4,000 and 1,000. Now, this partner C will bring 20,000 as capital for 1/5 share. Okay, write the entry. Cash account debit. Cash account debit 20,000. 20 plus 5, 25,000. 2. C's capital account 20,000 and 2 premium for goodwill 5,000. Find out the sacrifice ratio A, B and C. Old ratio is 4/5 and 1/5. New ratio already given to us 3:1:1. 3/5, 1/5 and 1/5. Sacrifice ratio 1/5 0. So पूरा किसको चला जाएगा ये पैसा? A को चला जाएगा. Okay. Third entry. Premium for goodwill account debit 5,000. 2. Who will get the benefit? A. To A's current account. Okay. A's current account 5,000. Let's do the posting cash account again. C's capital account. Because he is bringing capital, we credit capital account. And 2. Premium for goodwill 5,000. Buy cash 20,000. Premium for goodwill account debit to A's current account. Buy premium for goodwill. Now out of this 5,000, partner withdraws half the amount. So to cash account 2,500. But is current account. Land and building increased by 10%. Furniture and stock decreased by 5%. I'll do it. With the two effects. By land and building, to furniture, to stock, market value of investment is 35,000. So plus revaluation 10,000, 25,000. By investment 10,000. Provision for doubtful debt is made at 10% on debtors. So let's do it. 10%. So 550. So 4950. कितने का increase? 50. So 2 bad debt reserve. Workman accident compensation claim is accepted at 1,000. So how much we have to distribute between partners? 4,000. What's the ratio? 4:1. But workman 3200, 800. 3200 and 800. Dishonor expense of bill receivable and bank charges which are paid but not recorded in the books. So what's the entry? वो charges को कर देंगे debit और bank को कर देंगे credit. But charges ultimately कहाँ चला जाएगा? Revaluation account में. Increase है या decrease है? Loss है. So it will come on the debit side. Okay. So 2. Dishonor bill receivable expense 150 and 2 bank charges 300. It goes from your cash and bank account because it is given कि it is already paid. अगर ऐसा नहीं दिया होता तो you would have taken it as outstanding. Okay. By bill receivable dishonor expense 150 by bank charges 300. Check the effects. If all is done, start, close it. Profit or loss? Profit. Looks like profit. What's the profit? 10750 to partners. Which account will transfer? Current account. A and B. What's the ratio? 4:1. Okay. What's the amount? 8600. Okay. 2150. Okay, we transfer it by revaluation account. 8600 and 2150. इसको बैलेंस कर लो पहले. To balance carry forward 75,000, 25,000, 20. Capital A, B and C. Current account balance करो. To balance carried forward. Balance is 18,300. Okay. And B? 3950. Okay. Transfer it. Current account. A and B. 18,300. 3950. Cash. -25. What's the total? 1 lakh. That 250. 1,48,250. Okay.